Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two Magsafe wireless chargers. The one on the left is the Anker 334 MagGo battery. Now the one on the right is the AOGUERBE model number KTD009. It also has a 10,000 milliamp hour battery inside. So both of these have batteries inside that you are going to have to charge. The Anker you're going to charge with USB-C here on the side. This one you're going to charge with USB-C, USB-C right here. It also has a battery status that shows us exactly how much percentage left. The Anker, press the button, and we've got 4 little dots to show us. Now the way this works is, so here I got an iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's simply just, if your case is MagSafe proof or okay for MagSafe, it's simply going to stick to your phone and it's going to charge your phone. There's what it looks like charging. Then here we have the Anker. Again, this side right here is what it's gonna connect to the phone. The Anker magnet is a little bit stronger compared to this one, but it's still pretty strong. Okay, so here are the outputs of the Anker. Its wireless is either 5 watts or 7.5 watts. Okay, so the other one can do 5 watts, 7.5 watts, but it can also do 10 watts and 15 watts. So that means this one here is going to charge your iPhone faster than the Anker, almost twice as fast. This one also has like a kickstand. You can unfold it, kickstand it, and it will hold your phone while it's charging. So you can do that. That's pretty neat. And it's got like a nice feel to it. Again, charge it with USB-C or Lightning. And it has USB-A output. This one has USB-A output and USB-C input or output. I can also have USB-C come out, but that's the only 2 connectors on this whole thing. Let's go over size-wise. Let's just look at them really close. Anker's a little bit longer, 4 1/4. 4 left to right is about 2 5/8. 2 3/4. Thickness-wise, they're both about 5/8. This one's about 5/8 too. This one has a nice feel to it, like a rubber feel to it. This one's a little slicker. So if you want one that's going to charge your iPhone faster, this is the one to get. It looks like a really nice one. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.